London. Tama po ba? London. Taga-London po kami. No? And then, nanghingi po talaga ako ng tulong sa mother ko. And then, my brother happens to, syempre, nalaman niya po yon. Siya yung unang nag-share po sa akin about the bird. So, now, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, there are two things na problema ng tao. I don't know about you kung hindi nyo po ito problema, but one thing's for sure. From the start of the presentation of the product, mentioned the top 10 killers. Ang unang problema ng tao ay pera. Pera po muna tayo. Tama? Pera po talaga. No? Pero yung pangalawa pong pinaka-problema ng tao ay health. Ulitin ko po, no? So, the point here now, the reason why we are talking about this kind of stem cell, we are offering you the stem cell, it is because the first po na problema ng tao is pera. And the second is about health. Tama po ba? If you agree with me, can you please type yes? Sige nga po. Para medyo tumutunog yung natin, no? Because you know what? Ako po kinakabahan kasi this is my first time to have this kind of closing and I really want everyone to be engaged in this kind of closing that we have right now. I really want you to use your mind right now, your imagination right now. It is because the one that we are sharing with you right now is actually what we call an option for you. Tama po ba? No? Option. Why option? For Dear Placenta, no, it offers you the kind of option para mamili ka sa magiging future health mo. And with your future health depends the future of your family. I don't know about you if you agree with me, but Dr. Shell, can you please play the video? Thank you po.
What will your last 10 years look like? Will you be quick enough for a game of tag with your grandchild? Strong enough to embrace every moment? Will you grow old with vitality? Or get old with disease? It's time to decide.
So there's the realization po para sa ating mga guests, right? Tama po ba? Kasi because kaming mga nasa Rayway na, we already know that when the time comes na tumanda na po tayo, you have two options in front of you right now. Tama po ba? You will just choose between the left, no? Nandito, if you want to have a graceful na pagtanda, or if you want to become a burden. Sorry for the term, but ladies and gentlemen, having this kind of illness from one of our members of the family will make our family broke. Tama po ba? Tama po ba? Why? Kasi in this moment, pag may sinugod sa ospital po, sa inyong pamilya, sinugod nyo sa ER, at kapag ilalabas nyo na po yan, hindi po pwedeng hindi kayo maglalabas ng pera. Tama po ba? Kapag may bigla ang kailangang operation sa pamilya, hindi po pwedeng hindi kayo maglalabas ng pera. You know what, no, ladies and gentlemen, why I am focusing in this kind of realization is that nung bata kasi tayo, tama po, I don't know kung ano nyo to, no? Nung bata tayo, our teachers, kasama po ako doon, no, taught us na dapat, tawag dito, you study well, tama ba? No, magkaroon ka ng mga high grades, no, so that in the future, kapag mag-a-apply ka na, no, you will get a great job, and then after that, no, what's your focus? To earn salary. And then the more you want to earn bigger salary, what compromises? Your health. Tama po ba? And if health ang na-compromise na sa atin, no, everything follows. Right? Tama po ba? That's why we are sharing with you right now the Poor Tier 7th edition. So now, the question is, no, if I may say or tell you right now that the Portier is the solution, would you agree with me? Doc, can you please share po the therapy? Thank you po. So you know what, ladies and gentlemen, no, one of the things I love about Three-Way International, it is because it offers the highest potential in our body to repair, no, regenerate, no, and renew our body. And this one is the stem cells. So now, what we are offering right now to people that listening right now is actually buhay na cell na magre-repair ng root cause ng iyong problema sa health. So as you can see on your screen right now, we have the recommended dosage to how to take the fourth year placenta. Now, this is a 6-month therapy. So from the first month, you will be consuming 2 bottles because each bottles po meron tayong 60 capsule. And then, kapag po gumising tayo sa umaga, no, you need to take 2 capsule in the morning, empty stomach, mauuna si Portier sa inyong katawan. And then after 30 minutes, you may take other supplement or maintenance that you have. Don't worry, no contraindication po tayo. If you are taking any medication right now, no, it's okay. Totally okay. Reason why kailangan mauna si Portier placenta inside your body so that mauunang mag-repair, no, si Portier, no. And then sa bedtime naman po, before you sleep, you need to take 2 capsule in the more evening before you sleep. Yun talagang mga 10 minutes, no, bago kayo matulog, no, 15 minutes, no, bago kayo matulog. And then that's the first month. And then from second month up to 6th month, you need to take isa na lang pong capsule sa umaga at isa na lang pong capsule sa gabi. And what is the promise to you for your placenta 6th edition? The effect would be 5 years younger. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Portier because the first person na sinubukan namin yung 5 years younger na to is actually my mom. At alam niyo po ba, hindi kami talaga binigo. Kasi if you know my mom, no, yung mga invite ko po ngayon, and then kung makita niyo po yung before and after ng mother ko, talagang makikita niyo yung reverse aging. But then, ladies and gentlemen, it's just an addition when you take Portier. Because the very important thing that Portier can do inside your body is to repair, no, the damaged organ, repair your body, and of course, it manifests outside so that you will look younger and you will feel younger. So that's the Portier placenta 6-month therapy. Now, no, this Portier, no, akala natin there are people outside Three-Way, when we invite them, ang thinking po nila is to earn money. Tama ba? And there's nothing wrong about it. Maybe they have this past experiences, no, sa ibang company, sa ibang presentation that tingin nila ganun lang. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, the second word that I have, no, for this closing is that, you know, this Portier is the solution. And when you have the product, when you purchase the product, ladies and gentlemen, beyond that is actually what makes this company known. It is for transformation ng dreams mo into vision. Nakuha niyo po, medyo malalim po siguro, no? So ulitin po natin, no? When you purchase the product for your placenta, no, beyond that yung kaya nitong ibigay. Bakit po? The third word that I have here is once you have this dream, it can transform, no, your dream into vision that you can actually reach, no, yung mga natutulog nyo ng dreams. Why? Kaakibat po ng pag-purchase nyo ng Portier ay ang inyo pong international business Three-Way International. Saan kayo makakakita ng company na bibili ka ng product? You will purchase the product for you to get better, for you to regain your vitality, right? But at the same time, for you na bulabugin hindi lang yung organ mo sa loob, but the dreams that you have in your heart and in your mind. How great is that, ladies and gentlemen? Isn't it great? Tama po ba? Because you know what, Three-Way International, the company itself, no, proving for the past 18 years ni company, no, there are so many people na nabago po ang buhay from. Pero syempre, wag naman po nating hilingin na may sakit po tayo saka tayo magte-take ng fourth year. Wag niyo po ako gayahin. Kasi, maliit na kwento lang. 2018 pa po ito, ini-introduce sa akin ng brother ko. I rejected him. Kasi nga, ang thinking ko, poor mindset. Ano yun? Naku, ma-market mo lang ako, in-network mo lang ako, bebentahan mo lang ako eh. Diba? Kasi teacher ako, marami akong kakilala, no? So, poor mindset. But then, I am here in front of you, ladies and gentlemen, talking about the vision. Why? I see the vision of Freeway International. You know what? Actually kanina, wala ako neto. Ito lang lagi kong dala. Ito pala. When I'm wearing my coat, no, ito lang palagi. And then, nahihiya na nga po akong Diamond One Star ako. Nilagay ko siya ulit ngayon. But then, kanina, ang una ko pong nakita is the Philippine flag. You know what? We Filipinos, we are very good. The problem is, may mali lang po tayong opportunity. Nasa mali tayong opportunity, no? At mali po yung environment na kung saan naandun tayo. Because you know what, ladies and gentlemen, me being a teacher, I see students and I know students na matalino pero walang support ng magulang. Na matalino pero napakahirap ng environment. Tama po ba? But then, Freeway International caters each and every one of us. Just be sure na 18 years old lang po tayo, kasi hindi po pwede ng 17 below, no? So, you know what? The vision. Why? Kanina, while I'm preparing this for the presentation ngayon, yung anak ko pa yung panganay ko, si Marikit, nagsabi siya sa akin. Sinasama ko siya sa office, nakikita niya po ito, and then she knows that when she turned 18 years old, no, mamanahin niya po yung isa sa mga account kay Riway. Why? There's no such company that will give you the position that you have right now is actually can transfer sa anak ninyo. But Riway International, I tell you, no, giving the opportunity of each and every people. If you are in the situation right now that thinking, anong ipapamana ko sa anak ko, you try doing Riway International's business. Why? Because our business here kay Riway International is transferable. Meaning po, kung may mga pangarap tayo sa mga anak natin, huwag nating pangarapin na tayo ay mag-iiwan sa kanila ng, usually, ano iiwan natin? Utang. Tama po ba? No? Sakit sa ulo. Tama po ba? But then again, Riway International is giving us the opportunity for us, no, to enjoy the fourth year, no, to do the business of Riway International. And I tell you, napakasarap po ng sinabi ng anak ko sa akin kanina na, Mami, no, paano kaya kapag sabay na tayong umaakyat sa stage at pareho tayong Team Elite Pegasus? Ibig sabihin po, the vision is there. And not only the vision of us being partnered with the kind of business that actually a family business. Why? Because again, having this flag, no, being a Filipino, we are always told na tayo ay mga tagalinis lang, OFW, DH. I am not against that kind of, don't get me wrong, okay po? But then, ladies and gentlemen, let's be realistic. May mga pagkakataon po sa buhay natin na ang bilang Pilipino nakakahiya. Tama po ba? But you know what? If you are one with us, if you are a member of Freeway International from the Philippines, the reason why I put again the flag sa akin pong code, it is because we have this one vision. If you are career-oriented right now, if you are looking for an opportunity right now, this kind of company is very good for you and we are looking for you. You know why? Let's watch this. Sige po, Doc. Pa-play po ng BM. Thank you.
On a different path, I still lead the way. Paths change. Great government. lifted me to where I stand today. And today, I live to be its pride. Two generations, one journey.
Your appearance may be an advantage, but your capability is what truly speaks.
Who says I am just a pretty face? The world has always been my stage. Own the global stage. From death, I learned how to live again. From last breath to the best.
So, there we have it, ladies. One product that we introduce to you. Those people that you have them from nagkasakit, no? And again, wag naman po sana nating maranasan yun. No? But then again, ladies and gentlemen, this platform of Freeway International, we are not just talking about the product because the product can stand alone. Napansin niyo po ba, we don't have any endorser. The one that we are endorsing to you right now is actually the people and the persons from Freeway International. How great it is that you see yourself from 2016 to 2026 right now. After 5 years, no, you are one of those people that we are watching from the teaser ng events ni Riwi International. How great it is that from you, situation mo sa buhay ngayon, maybe marami kang utang, tama ba? Maybe pag narinig mo yung price ni Portier, sabihin mo, ang mahal naman yan, di ko kaya yan. You know what, I tell you, kung ang mindset ko po noon, nung nakilala ko si Portier, yung 135 ay mahal na. You think I am here right now, having 9 accounts from my portal? And if you hear about, if you learn about the price of Portier, talagang masasabi niyo po, no, high price po talaga siya. But then again, ladies and gentlemen, if this 180,000 and 500 pesos can change your life, the question is, are you willing to take the risk? Do you want to take the product? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, many people right now are searching for a better income. Many people right now are searching for a better health. Tonight, you've just seen the ways to resolve both. And the question is, are you ready to take it? If your answer is yes, please go back to the person who invited you and ask, how do you do Freeway International's business? Or if you say no, ladies and gentlemen, look at the mirror, reflect, assess your life. Because from this point of your life right now, na napakahirap at maraming history ng sakit ang pamilya, I tell you, the first video that I just let you watch, on the right side, that would be you. So again, I am Patricia Ferrer Generale. Thank you so much for your time. Maraming salamat po, and may we all be the blessings to other people using the Portier Placenta and the platform of Freeway International. Thank you so much po.